Y'all mind if a guy does a little skincare? Today, I'm pretty excited because we're going to be talking about this. We're also going to be talking about this.
Joey, you said 30 minutes.
Sorry. The coolest part about this video is we're actually doing the thing. We're doing it. Hold your horses first because we're doing something different from what these other channels are doing. Yes, this video is sponsored by Higgsfield. I know the channel that doesn't do sponsors is doing the sponsors, but if you'll let me, I'll tell you 2 reasons why you might want to stick around because it involves you too.
Spit it out, bro. Joey only took this offer not for the bag, but because 1, he uses this in his actual workflow and waited long enough to make sure it's good to share. And 2, he only did it if he'd be able to offer you guys something and one of you is walking away with 6,000 credits. Okay, I'll be back in a bit.
I was literally gonna say all of that. Yes, I'm giving away credits that have been approved by the Higgsfield team. They really are some fab people to work with if you give them time and communication. Trust me, I wouldn't be working with this platform if I didn't agree or love how the platform works. So with that out of the way, we're going to be talking about the free Adobe plugin from Higgsfield. It's been some time and you guys have probably already seen some stuff about it already, but there were also some hiccups and things that people were trying to figure out, and those have been updated, and I'm sharing it now because I'm using it in my workflow because of the updates that they've made. First, if you don't have it installed, it's super easy to install. I'll link the guide down in the description. Once it's in and installed, you open the panel from the window menu. You'll sign in with your Higgsfield account and your generation library shows up right here in the panel. Everything you've made, sorted by most recent. Here's some of what I've been working on lately, but the big things that you can do with this plugin that I'm really excited about. Yes, you can reframe, you can crop any clip to 9:16, 16:9, 21:9, 1:1, all of that with one click with smart subject tracking, which is a very unique and helpful tool. It's not something that I'm using currently. There's also a big feature that you can remove the background. Another thing you can do within the plugin is upscale. I just released a video on upscaling and how I do that all within Topaz. You can do that all within Higgsfield too. You can upscale your videos, boost any clips to 4K, all the way up to 8K if you're crazy. Seed Dance 2.0 also got a buff with 4K, and we'll talk about that in the next video. Still working out and figuring out how it can evolve and work into my workflow, as it is an expensive tool. We'll get to all of that later in another video. The biggest thing that I really like about this plugin and how it operates all within the Adobe platform is the draw to edit. Change the backgrounds, change items, remove things in the video that you don't want. You can change articles of clothing, put some glasses on. A lot of cool things can happen with the draw to edit feature. And that's it. Something important I would share and talk about is work within 4 to 8 seconds of video edits. I don't think you need to do a whole 15-second long edit. If you want to, go nuts. Really, this plugin is really helpful and useful for these small bits of video clips that you just want to augment and change and do some cool things with. And I think that's the best way to use this plugin right now. But here's why any of this and all of this matters. The Higgsfield Adobe plugin, the videos that we're creating, the gap between AI content that people watch and people want to watch versus the AI content that people scroll past. It's not which model is being used. It's not which plugin is being used. It's not how many credits are being spent. It's a story. Everything is and should be about telling stories. That's the only thing that separates a nice AI video from slop. Tools get faster every week. Story is the only moat, which is the other reason why I said yes to this. Nobody's giving anything away in this space. Everyone's selling, everyone's funneling. I want to give back as much as I can, and I want this channel to be about giving back. So that brings me to the giveaway. Higgsfield gave me 6,000 credits to give to one person, not split, not divided, just one winner with 6,000 credits. And here's how I want to do it. I'm asking you to actually work for it because I love seeing when people work hard for things that they want. That's another reason why I do all of this, is so that you're able to work better, faster, but still work nonetheless. Here's the thing. One scene, 3 shots. Comment down below a story that you want to tell in exactly 3 shots. Just the beats. Shot 1, shot 2, shot 3. No prompts, no tools, no software. Just tell me what happens in each shot and why those 3. It could be 15 seconds. It could be a 45-second little video. I don't care about the scope. I care if I can see the story in the frames. The cool thing is too, you'll have a lot of people engaging in the comments with you. I'll read every comment that I can within this next week, and I'll contact the winner directly. I'll then take their story and generate it for them in the style of which I do these videos, and we'll preview it in the next video. Does the story land in these 3 shots? And does it make me want to see the rest? Does it make any of us want to see the rest? Build something that nobody else could make, because remember, we're building all this together. Okay. So I'm excited to see what you guys comment down below. Really excited to be building with you guys, and really stoked about these next several videos that we're going to be launching and things that we're going to be sharing, new skills that we're going to be developing. I hope this was worth your time, and I'm excited to do more of these giveaways in the future. But until next time, peace, love, and AI.